Hello. There's nothing better than enjoying a delicious smoothie on a sunny day. I'll show you how to make a smoothie for 2 people, or just one if you have no friends. All you need is a blender, some soy milk, frozen fruit, and a ripe banana. First we add the milk. Add 750 milliliters into your average size blender. It should be labeled on the side of the blender. Next, add 1 ripe banana. This sweetens the smoothie. Finally, we add the frozen fruit. You can add more or less fruit based on how thick you want it. Filling the fruit all the way to the top of the blender will make it fairly thick. Frozen fruit allows us to skip the ice as an ingredient, and the lack of ice chunks make the smoothie even smoother. Blend until you no longer see solid fruit pieces and it is all one color. Now you can pour it into a bowl or cup and enjoy.